Looking for the best string trimmer? In this video, we'll break down the top string trimmers available, whilst comparing them for price versus performance. Before we get started with our video detailing the best string trimmers on the market, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off with the best overall string trimmer, we have the DEWALT 20V Max Lithium Ion XR String Trimmer. The sheer power of the DEWALT 20V Max Lithium Ion XR String Trimmer is reason enough to buy this tool, but the fact that you can count on it to last for years sure helps to justify the rather high price. I've had many DEWALT tools, and they are still kicking to this day. This trimmer is powered by a 20V 5A lithium-ion battery that packs plenty of punch, whirling the dual cutting lines around a 13-inch swath that will easily clear grass, weeds, thorns, and more. The tool can be operated at a high speed, full power setting for cutting tougher materials, or it can run at a lower speed for lighter work and for better battery life. Yes, this trimmer costs 4 times more than other electric options, but it will outperform and outlast them too. With nearly 900 reviews posted on Amazon at the time of this review, the DEWALT 20V Max Lithium Ion XR String Trimmer has a 4-star average rating with customers. One owner said he was thoroughly impressed with the trimmer's capabilities and battery life, while another reported it being easy to handle and working perfectly for his residential landscaping needs. A Workshop Addict review said he was amazed by the runtime of this trimmer between battery charges and called it very light at 8.5 pounds. Next up, we have the best low-cost string trimmer, which goes to the Black & Decker 2-in-1 electric string trimmer. I've used a Black & Decker trimmer for years, and every time I have light to moderate trimming or edging needs that are within the reach of an extension cord, it's the tool I choose. Truth be told, it's not this exact trimmer, but that's the case only because my 8-year-old tool device has yet to break down. While this trimmer isn't the best choice for seriously outgrown yards, or for clearing dense underbrush, for edging lawns, clearing common weeds, and cutting grass near flowers, trees, fences, or in those patches the mower can't reach, it's a fine choice. It's also a trimmer that's amazingly affordable. A plug-in trimmer has one distinct disadvantage, which is, of course, the simple fact that you need to be connected via an extension cord to a power outlet. That means less freedom of motion and less convenience of use, as you can't use the tool where you can't plug it in. However, the fact that you don't need to lug around a battery or a gasoline motor significantly reduces the weight of the tool, making the 5-pound Black & Decker 2-in-1 electric string trimmer a great choice for seniors, anyone with strength or mobility limited by injury or illness, or anyone who just doesn't want to lug around a heavy trimmer. With dozens of reviews posted on Walmart, this plucky little trimmer has a fine 4.4-star average rating. One owner called it lightweight and easy to use, while another gushed that for the price of this item, you get more than what it costs. In a write-up from Living Horticulturally, a reviewer called it a featherweight tool that is ideal for trimming hard-to-reach areas of a property that a mower can't access. Up next, we have the best gas-powered string trimmer, which goes to the Ryobi 2-cycle gas straight shaft string trimmer. The Ryobi 2-cycle gas straight shaft string trimmer probably isn't the ideal trimming tool for a professional gardener or landscaper, but for the casual DIY property care guy or gal, it's an ideal choice. With a 2-stroke 25 cubic centimeter engine, this capable trimmer delivers more than enough power to slash through thick grass, weeds, and to cut edges down into turf, mulch, or packed soil. A proprietary zip-start carburetor makes firing up this tool quick and easy without a lot of repeated yanking on a starter line, and an easy-to-load head makes replacing broken trimmer line fast and simple too. As for the line, it can accommodate a thick and durable 0.095-inch line thickness, whereas many similar tools max out at 0.08. This trimmer is pretty loud when operating, but it's also a reliable tool that's more than worth its price. With nearly 1,200 reviews posted on Home Depot's website, the Ryobi 2-cycle gas straight shaft string trimmer has a commendable 4.2-star average. A gentleman named Steve said his Ryobi trimmer ran like a Swiss watch, never giving him any complications. Another user said he was very impressed with the power and usability of this trimmer. A reviewer from Top 10 Reviews called the Ryobi 2-cycle gas straight shaft string trimmer a good choice for most yards, thanks to its wide cutting path and powerful motor. Next, we have the best battery-powered trimmer, which goes to the GreenWorks 80V 16-inch string trimmer. The GreenWorks 80V 16-inch string trimmer operates with power that equates to a 32 cubic centimeter gasoline combustion engine. That means it's super powerful for an electric tool. It also costs a good deal less than other battery-powered trimmers on our list, and is in fact right in the medium price range for all the tools we're recommending. So why isn't this powerful lawn and weed trimming tool our top pick? Well, along with being super powerful, it's also way heavy. At 16 pounds, the GreenWorks 80V 16-inch string trimmer will be outright too heavy for some people and will weigh enough to tire others out after extended use, which is indeed possible given its 45-minute runtime per battery and 30-minute battery charging time. But when operated by folks with enough brawn to heft this tool, there won't be a blade of grass, a bramble, or a weed that doesn't tremble to hear its electric whine. One customer loved that the batteries last more than he expected, even with heavy use, while another said that thanks to the GreenWorks 80-volt 16-inch string trimmer, he had no regrets about going over to the battery-powered side of lawn tools. A writer from Pro Tool Reviews said this trimmer has the power to run 0.095-inch line and was amongst the quietest powerful trimmers their team tested. And for our last pick, we have the best commercial-grade string trimmer, which goes to the Husqvarna 17-inch straight shaft string trimmer. The $200 price tag of the Husqvarna 128LD 17-inch straight shaft string trimmer doesn't make it a steal, but given the power and durability of this tool, it still makes it a fair deal. That power comes from a 28cc two-stroke engine that can whip a 0.095-inch line around at thousands of RPM. The fair deal aspect is bolstered by the fact that your Husqvarna 128LD 17-inch straight shaft string trimmer will last for years and years, even with regular use. At just under 11 pounds, this trimmer isn't all that heavy, but it's not a featherweight either. But given its capabilities, its weight is actually pretty impressive. This trimmer cuts a 17-inch wide swath, and its motor can be affixed to a pole saw, pruner, or sweeper attachment as well. So with a few accessory purchases, the base motor of the Husqvarna 128LD 17-inch straight shaft string trimmer becomes an all-in-one property maintenance dynamo. Nearly 400 buyers have posted reviews on Amazon at the time of this writing, and the Husqvarna 128LD 17-inch straight shaft string trimmer enjoys a 4.2-star average rating. A buyer named Michael loved that this gas trimmer starts easily and can tackle everything thrown at it. Another reviewer says it's simply the best trimmer he ever owned. A product tester from Backyard Boss called the Husqvarna 128LD 17-inch straight shaft string trimmer a powerful tool from a trusted brand that has a large, easy grip handle and plenty of reach thanks to its long shaft. So that sums up our top string trimmers of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.